Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Asus router AI protection for smart home devices. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To verify Asus router AI protection for your smart home devices, start by connecting your computer or mobile device to your Asus router's Wi-Fi network. Open a web browser and enter the router's IP address, which is typically 192.168.1.1 or 192.168.5. You will be prompted to log in. Enter your username and password. By default, the username is usually admin and the password is either admin or blank. Once logged in, navigate to the security section in the main menu on the left side of the interface. Look for the AI protection option and click on it to open the AI protection settings. In the AI protection settings, you can see the status of your protection features. Make sure AI protection is enabled. If it's not enabled, click the toggle switch to activate it. Next, check for any available updates for the router's firmware. Click on the Administration tab, and then select Firmware Upgrade. If an update is available, follow the on-screen instructions to. After updating, return to the AI Protection section to ensure that the features are still enabled. Review the security options available under AI Protection, such as malware protection and intrusion prevention. Adjust any settings. Finally, check the Connected Devices section to verify that all your smart home devices are recognized and protected. If any devices are unrecognized, ensure they are connected to the network and refresh the device list. Your Asus router should now be set up to provide AI protection for your smart home devices effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.